Hello, to delete browser history on the Redmi Note 14, all you have to do is you have to go into your browser, and from here you have to press on these three dots on the top right corner. In my case, in the Google Chrome, you have to press it right here and go into history. And right here we don't have actually any history, so let me just quickly make some history. Alright, and right here we have the YouTube, and simply to delete your history, your browser history, you have to press on the delete browsing data. And right here you can select which items to delete. You can also delete tabs, saved passwords, and so. But let's say you just want to delete browsing history and cookie site. We simply enable this, select this one. We can also select the time range, and it is actually recommended to delete all from the all-time browsing history. It actually depends, yeah, but you can delete it like this and press delete data, and just like this there is no browsing history on your phone. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.